Assalamu alaikum my dear students. In this lecture we will discuss about the hyperlink, about the text, about the symbols. The maximum things we will discuss here. First of all we are going to discuss about the hyperlink. Hyperlink also known as the link. Okay. Let's try here. This is basically in insert tab, home, insert tab, there is a hyperlink. Hyperlink basically is a method where we create a link to a web page or a picture or an email address or any other program. Outside of the platform you can connect your picture, text to any picture, file to any file, and website to URL of the internet. Just select this, roll over your mouse, or you can press hotkey Control K. Just click here. It will ask you a question through this dialog box. In this dialog box it's asking about a picture, where the picture exists. Just to click here, choose your drive. I think we should go to pictures. There is some picture, select this one, roll over your mouse. It becomes the hyperlink just like a web page. Its color is blue and underlined. It's a symbol that hyperlink is created. Just roll over your mouse here, hand impression will show here. Just to click here and it will open the picture that exists in your system. This one, any picture you can click. File, hyperlink, click here, on my documents, this file, okay. Just click this, it will open the file. Just close the file, just select the website, hyperlink. No need to move here in case of website. Website means you are going to link with the URL on internet. Just click here in the address bar, type here in small letters www dot, automatically complete syntax will show here with the HTTP protocols. You can type the URL that you want, google.com. just go to mouse, roll over, click, it will open the website in a browser. It is very simple to create the link of your picture, of your file, or any URL to the existing hyperlink where you have created. This is your URL. URL means universal resource locator. The next is text. Text means just to click it and draw anywhere text, anywhere you want to write. Just insert text, anywhere you can write. Just click it, click the box, and you can move anywhere. These are properties of the text. You can change the colors, formats, shapes. Different shapes you can change. It's just with the help of text. Very attractive. Colors. This color. Insert header and footer. It's very important. Header footer basically is a command. With the help of that you can repeat the heading on every page that you have created. If your pages are 2 or more than 2, 100 pages, 50 pages, 10 pages, 3 pages, your top heading or the company name will repeat at the top of every page. For example, we are here. Just click on the insert and header footer. When you look at the screen, your breakup has changed. It's a header. There is the option of go to footer, and that is your footer. Go to header. You type here company name. For example, here this heading is not written here. You click here. Unique Computer College. And design, go to footer. Now this footer will repeat on every page. Just zoom out. First of all, you change the layout because you have few columns are going to next page. Go to page layout, orientation, landscape. Your column will move here. Now it consists on these columns also. If you write something here, look at this, your header is going to repeat on this page also. Your header will repeat at the top of every page. That is feature of the header. Insert, this is header. You can write through another source also. Go to page layout, this is in view tab, page layout. With the help of this icon you can also type the header footer. It's your normal position. Again go to page layout and remove this from here. Go to footer, remove this from here. Because we don't want on every page. This is my final document. Okay students, this was our header footer command. The next is word art, very simple. Just click on the style. It will show you the box here. You can type your text whatever you like. Just select to reduce the size. Just select format and change the styles whatever you like. Okay. Insert. Next is object. Select the bitmap image. Basically object is giving you the option to create something live on in your software. Mean you are sitting in the Excel but you can write in another software. Normally beginner can type the text in and can make the drawing, little drawing or a very simple drawing, well a beginner level drawing in a bitmap if you never know about other designing softwares. Click this one, a screen will open here and parallel background image also will show here in a white background. Whatever you will create here, it will show in that white background. Just select the shape you draw here, it also will show in this area. Colors, red, shade in this, shade in this one. Just close this bitmap image and all the drawing will show here. It's a live. Just double click here, it again will open the bitmap, means this is your basically paintbrush area. It's giving you the option to create live. The next is if you want to type any equation, mathematical formulas you want. These are the few samples, few specimens. If anything is near to your requirement, just click it. It will show the basic formula in this area. This is your basic formula. You click here. As you will click here, it will show the properties on your top. Design. These are the parameters. For example, this is your current position. Here you want brackets. In bracket, you want your fractions. You start here 5 and click here 2. There are simple different topics, icons and the symbols that you can enter here, whatever you like. Okay, this is basically your equation area. insert questions. It's a symbol, normal symbols. Just to select the symbol and press insert, it will show in this area. These are the icons or the shapes which are not available on the keyboard. Just click here, insert. In this area, all the shapes will show which you have recently used. This one, this one. It's a fonts libraries. You select the libraries. I think I suggest you. It's all the best shapes are in Wingding, Wingdings, and Wingdings, and Web Wingdings 3 and Wingdings 2. In these areas, you find the very unique shapes. Okay, guys. You can change from here, change its size, change the color, and usually you can also change the colors of any shape. Now this area is completed. Symbols, text, and the links. I think it was very simple lecture and very important. Multiple things in a one video. Thank you very much for watching total video. Assalamu alaikum.